Hi guys, this is your boy Martin from MartinTheVlogger.com, and today I have here for you a quick video about these brand new skid plates that came from LimitsLess Motoring, and we have them of course on our shop on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. In today's video I will very quickly do the installation and I'll tell you why I'm throwing this upgrade on the Bloody Mary project, and that's about it. We will apply 2022 rules on all of my videos. No bullshit around, straight to the point, and two, probably you have noticed, no video ads. How cool is that? Now, enough of this. Let's get started. Okay, so the most difficult part is gonna be like to decide which one to go for. I mean, they just look absolutely beautiful and top quality aluminum. I love it. Just proper metal plate. And okay, what we have here, basically installation is going to be very simple. 2 bolts, and this is the front side. So you know you have 2 bolts under the bike that holds your front mask. You need to remove them. And what you will receive bolts and washers. And I think this is how it should go. So you have rubber washer and metal one, so you know there is no rattling around. You will get some gloves, that's nice also. So those are 2 holes. This one, it's for your oil change. So what I love about this skid plate, well, let's finish, and you have 2 holes at the back. All right. So what I love about this skid plate is that it will go under the whole main area, okay? Ryker 600 and this is Ryker 900. They are very low, okay? The rallies are a tiny bit higher. And because this is 900, I have even changed the springs for high performance springs, but still, I want to be safe. I don't want to receive any damage while riding to my radiator and other parts at the bottom. So that's actually one reason why I'm doing this. 2, you will see it has nice shape and it will add some aggressiveness to the bike. So that's also why we're doing it, because this is the coolest rental bike you can get, Ryker, in the world, in Bratislava, Slovakia, from Martin the Vlogger. Woohoo! Let's do the installation. So we are going with the black, and as for the installation, it's good to raise your Ryker. It makes the job much easier. I will use also the lift in order to hold the skid plate, so I don't have to, you know, use extra my hand. And the thing is, maybe one thing about the ramps, many people has asked me like where I get them, if I sell them on my shop. No, we do not sell them because they are super heavy. One can cope up with 2 tons, so it's like, I don't know, like 10 times of the weight of your Ryker almost. And they are hydraulic, so I can even raise them a little higher. It's something like 50, 60, 70 euros each. So you should be able to find them they are quite common, you know, so we don't ship them. Now, we will first hook the skid plate to the first 2 bolts in the front, and then we will go to the back. And we will use the short screws. Good. Front, it's done. It just looks absolutely amazing. The aggressiveness is there. Love it. We are going to the back, and here I have a tiny bit of trouble. I have this additional, it's called also skid plate from BRP, and I love it because it protects the CVT and protects the sensors. However, this skid plate, it was just tiny difference, but whatever I was trying to do, this bolt is in the way. So what I will need to do, I'll just need to tiny bit, an inch bit, not even an inch. I will need to cut a tiny bit from this new skid plate, but it's all fine. Nothing that these amazing hands cannot do. Let's do it. Once all of the screws are there, all you have to do is just tighten them up, and there you go. I love the new like sporty look, plus this what's bringing me the confidence. We have the protection under the whole bike. I have that additional protection from BRP. I love it as well. So we're all good to go. So the Bloody Mary project, it's over. But we have another 2 Rykers next door, and 2 more are coming, and we will need to do custom wraps and modifications, so stay tuned on that. And remember, visit MartinTheVlogger.com, the largest vlog for Can Am Spyder and Ryker aftermarket parts, exhaust and riding. Visit MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, the largest European shop for Can Am Spyder and Ryker aftermarket parts. And remember, always have fun. Yeah, and visit MartinTheVlogger.com.